Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Lego Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30013, and this is the city police buggy. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because my plan is to do one of these videos a day, every day for the foreseeable future. And I've also done one of these videos a day every day for like the last five and a half months. So the point is that there's a bunch of these videos if you like them, and there are a bunch more on the way if you also want more of them. And the cop's head keeps ending up in the tires. Now, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also I've included a brick set description if you just want information about the set itself. So let's see. Alright, let's check out our cop. So, not bad. There's some decent looking printing on the torso. Really nothing on the legs. The torso doesn't look too bad though. And then just that for the head. No like other option. No, I cannot hold on to that. Alright, let's try again. Give him his hat. Ah, there we go. Alright, that takes care of that. Now what we gotta do is put together the buggy itself. Now, I gotta tell you, I like the stuff with the big tires. Let's check this thing out. Alright. So, let's see. This goes here. And then like so. And like so. And then a little bit of blue. Let's here on that. And right goes there. I wonder what that's supposed to be. It's supposed to be flush. I guess the wheels like just miss it. Alright. Good deal, I guess. And then this goes on here. Like so. This goes here. Like so. Now we have the blue cheese slopes, the transparent blue cheese. Yeah, can't talk today. Transparent blue cheese slopes for our like police lights, like so. And then we got this on the back, right here. And I know this is going to go in. This clips in right here. I know that's coming. Let's share all that stuff. And we just flip to the back. Let's see what we got. So our front piece is going to have that and this, like so. That's pretty good, right? Takes care of that. Takes care of that. And we got to do this thing, the thing for the top. So, two more lights with these little cheese slopes. Line them up so they're all even and whatnot. And then put that on. This gives us this. And then we just pop the wheels on. See that? I was concerned that the wheel would rub against that, but it doesn't. Alright. This is definitely like a police ATV. I mean, it's very much... They weren't kidding about the buggy part. Oops. This dude does not want to keep his hat on. There we go. Now we'll pop him right there. Oh, extra piece-wise, we got that. It's not too bad looking. I kind of feel like this is more of a... like almost a beach buggy kind of thing, or like an off-road kind of thing. I don't know. Sort of cool though. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. I wonder if I can balance it like that. Seems unlikely. Anyway, if y'all have any suggestions or questions, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.